Welcome to our in-depth exploration of local content, empowering Nigeria's oil sector. In the next 8 minutes, we'll delve into the intricacies of local content policies within Nigeria's vital oil and gas industry. This video is for anyone interested in Nigeria's economic development, energy policies, and the role of indigenous participation in a global industry. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how local content initiatives aim to transform the oil sector, creating opportunities and fostering sustainable growth. So what exactly is local content in the context of oil and gas? It refers to the extent to which indigenous companies, labor, and materials are used in oil and gas operations within a country. Historically, Nigeria's oil and gas sector was dominated by international companies. This led to a situation where most of the economic benefits, jobs, and technology remained outside the country, despite Nigeria being a major oil producer. To address this, Nigeria enacted the Nigerian Oil and Gas Industry Content Development Act, or NOGICD Act, in 2010. This landmark legislation was designed to promote indigenous participation and ensure that a greater portion of the oil and gas value chain remains within Nigeria. One of the primary aims of the NOGICD Act is to enhance human capital development within Nigeria. This involves building local expertise and creating a skilled workforce capable of operating and managing the complexities of the oil and gas industry. The Act mandates job creation for Nigerians and focuses on the transfer of specialized skills from international companies to local personnel. This includes training programs, apprenticeships, and mentorship initiatives. Various training and capacity-building initiatives have been implemented, ranging from vocational training for technicians to advanced engineering programs for professionals, all aimed at closing the skill gap and empowering Nigerians. Beyond human capital, local content policies have a significant economic impact, driving industrialization and fostering the growth of supporting industries within Nigeria. The NOGICD Act has spurred the growth of numerous indigenous companies, enabling them to compete for lucrative contracts previously held by international firms. This has led to increased local ownership and control within the sector. Furthermore, the Act encourages local manufacturing and fabrication of equipment and components used in the oil and gas industry. This reduces reliance on imports and stimulates domestic industrial growth. Despite the successes, the implementation of local content policies in Nigeria faces several challenges and bottlenecks that need to be addressed for sustained progress. Access to adequate funding and finance remains a significant hurdle for many local companies, limiting their ability to invest in necessary infrastructure, technology, and human resources. While progress has been made, gaps still exist in technology transfer, with some advanced technologies remaining largely in the hands of international companies. Additionally, inadequate infrastructure can hinder local capacity. However, there are numerous success stories of Nigerian companies that have leveraged the NOGICD Act to thrive. These companies serve as models for future indigenous participation and demonstrate the potential of local content. To further empower Nigeria's oil sector through local content, several recommendations can be considered, including improved access to finance, stricter enforcement of local content regulations, and sustained investment in education and infrastructure. In conclusion, local content plays a pivotal role in empowering Nigeria's oil sector by fostering indigenous participation, creating jobs, transferring skills, and stimulating economic growth. While challenges persist, the long-term impact of these policies holds immense promise for Nigeria's development.